Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yes, great to see the primary scenario work out. We're dropping further with Bitcoin in line with expectations. We're currently going below 38.5k. In the previous video, we said that we have to expect further price drops. First of all, because of the Elliott Wave primary scenario, and also because we dropped out of the channel, in which Bitcoin has been for a very long time. And the weekly candle closed below that channel, and all of that is now playing out, which is great. We are looking at other dropping prices across the crypto market anyway. As always, the altcoins very much affected. And of course, as you know, I'll update you about these altcoins. It's really good to see that some of the cryptos which were going up quite significantly over the last few weeks, for example, Near Protocol, they are coming down now, and we are seeing more attractive entry prices again. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. What I've got on here is just the Fibonacci extensions of that wave 1, just to show you what we are doing here. So we came down in this wave 1, moved up in a wave 2, coming down in a wave 3. Here the low on the 18th, I think that was, of September. Of April, of course. Moved up here in a wave 4, hit exactly the 50% flipped retracement, which is a great target for a wave 4, and we're now moving down in a wave 5, made a lower low, and that could now be the wave 5. We now need to prepare for a retracement that could be coming soon. A retracement again back into the range of around 40,000 to 45 maybe, and we'll get to that in a minute. The reason I say that is obviously we're coming down here in that 5th wave. You can count this here already, possibly, or very nearly, we'll have a 5-wave move down here, and that would be that wave 5 here. So the wave 5 could end somewhere here. As I said before, around 35 to 37k, maybe even to 38. And I did put the Fibonacci extensions on the chart now, and one target for a wave 5 where we would see oftentimes a wave 5 end is, it can already be the 200% extension, but that was not realistic because it would have been a lower or a higher low compared to the wave 3. Now that we're making a lower low, which is typical for a wave 5, it could already end at the 2.382 Fibonacci extension, and that is exactly one where we are currently finding some support, but more likely would be either here the 2.618 Fib extension, and that is at around 37,300, or the 300% Fib extension, and that is at 35,750. So somewhere here we would expect the turnaround. Why do I say turnaround? I say turnaround because all of this would now be again a wave 1, a 5-wave move. This is basically the first wave down, as we have come up here in a 4th wave, as you can see up there, a 4th wave. We are now coming down in this 5th wave, which will end here in this yellow target area between 20 and 29k. So therefore, that 5th wave also consists of 5 waves, and just to show you what I mean, it means basically that all of this first 5-wave move would be again a larger wave 1. A wave 1 consists of 5 waves, so this could be the first wave down, so that you can get a bit of an orientation of where we are. Why did I say turnaround? Well, because somewhere at these levels that I showed you, we will now expect that retracement in a wave 2, which could be quite strong. Then we will move down in a very probably bearish wave 3, where we will expect another retracement in a wave 4, and then we would come down in a wave 5 and complete that yellow wave 5. And there then finally we should hopefully be able to complete that whole correction and would emerge out of the correction again to hopefully new all-time highs. And that could be that capitulation phase I've been talking about for a while now. And it's currently looking like this scenario here is playing out really, hopefully, finally. We've been waiting for it a while. And again, this would only be the wave 1 of that wave down. So we're currently at around 38.4. As I said, that could already have been the wave 5. We now have to expect at some point here, so either between now and let's say the 35.5k level, that retracement to in a wave 2. Now, how far could that be? Let's just give an estimate at the moment. We can't really calculate that too accurately until we know where the wave 5 low will be. Let's say it will be around, yes, let's just say 37, yeah. Then you would expect that would then be the end of the wave 1 or of the wave 5 here in small. And then, as I said, all of this is a wave 1 and we expect a wave 2 retracement. Now that could come all the way into the region between the 50% FIB retracement, so more than 70% of a wave 2 typically go to at least the 50% retracement. Yeah, they don't need to, but we talk here about probabilities and the most likely outcomes. So around 42.7k or 42.6k, that is where we would expect it to go to at least. So we are going to go back into the channel, as you can see at some point here, with a high likelihood. Yeah. So 42.6, maybe even a bit higher, 61.8 FIB level could be here the 44k level, and maybe even the 46k level is possible, the 78.6k FIB level. So you can see now that we've moved down here impulsively, we have to expect a retracement in a wave 2 again before we will come down. Yeah, so it's playing out. We've moved out of the channel. Ideally, for a further acceleration of the downtrend, what I would love to see is that we stay outside of the channel. So ideally we want the wave 5 to go down a little bit lower. Yeah, get a retracement, but hopefully just retest the former support and now resistance and then come down straight away without going back into the channel. I've got a feeling if we go back into the channel, it will be a bit painful again and will take a bit of a longer time. But yeah, it's playing out. Really good to see that. You know, as we talk, we're dropping lower here. 38.4, we were already in the 38.3 range, and yeah, it seems like that bearish scenario is finally playing out. A lot of people said in the past few weeks that the low was already in. Now I just can't see it. I can't see it, as we said. As long as we are below the 1 year moving average, as long as we are coming down that impulsively, we can't really talk about a bullish breakout. If things can change in the chart, of course, from a day-to-day basis. And therefore it is so important to get daily crypto updates, which of course you'll get here. But also here, the 4-hour chart, you know, momentum is coming down further. Where are we in terms of the RSI? We are now getting oversold. And yes, there is a little bit more scope. We're now around 30 on the 4-hour RSI. So yeah, we can move a little bit lower, certainly. But yeah, you know, we're getting close to the low now, where we should then, as I said, see that retracement in a wave 2, so we can prepare for some rising prices here soon. So far we can't see anything on the chart yet, no reversal yet. Yeah, even on the daily, the MACD pushing further down. The daily RSI still has further scope to move a little bit lower. So yeah, expect here at some point, maybe in the next few days, a retracement in a wave 2 that could then get back into the channel. I wouldn't want that really, but I think we have to assume that we might get back into the channel, or it could just, that way, you know, let's just say, speculating here a little bit, let's say yes, we come down in that wave 1, maybe in the 35k range, then move up. But you see that could take a while, so we could move all the way here. Maybe, you know, it's always an ABC, isn't it? So you come, and that could then complete a wave 2 here, maybe outside of the channel, and we will be retesting that channel somewhere here. But it could drag on for a while, but we won't know until we get there. But yeah, but what is happening will be that retracement in a wave 2. Good. Hopefully that was informative. If you liked the update, and yeah, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. If you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. And as a channel member, you get access to the Telegram server or Telegram channels, the Discord server, and the weekly live stream. And yeah, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well. And for all of these, you can find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.